Well, hi everyone, and welcome back to the Gourmet Grandad Cooking Channel. It's me, Rog, here once again. Today I'm going to be showing you a little treat that I bought myself. I've seen a lot of these on the internet just recently, and it's called a sous vide wand. Now, I'll just take it out of the box and I'll show you a bit more. Well, here it is in all its glory. As you can see, it's already had a trial run. You can see by the lime scale just there. It's got the clip here, comes complete with instructions. Now if I take it out of there, let me show you. This clip clips onto the container where you fill it full of water. Now I did have one problem, and I think anybody who's got one of these does have the same problem. I was cooking a joint of beef, and in the middle of the night this guy here woke me up with a beeping sound, because the water had evaporated and it had gone down to this minimum mark here, and it was saying, "I'm thirsty, give me water." So I did, and then I went back to bed, and the next day it was fine. Now to overcome this problem, I've decided to make myself a sous vide cooking box. With this, it's a 20 litre storage box. I bought this from Wilko or Wilkinson's, and it cost the princely sum of £4, complete with the lid. Now the thing is, the sous vide, once it goes in there, obviously you can't get the lid on. So I'm going to have to adapt this lid to fit the sous vide. The sous vide I bought at Costco, I think it was about £40 or thereabouts. So yeah, so let's get started. Now we can start by removing the lid, put that to one side, place the sous vide in the box as if we were going to cook with it. As you can see, it fits quite nicely in there, because if you look on the box, the cooking container has to be at least 19 centimetres in height. Now I can make a template using some cardboard like this. If I use some masking tape, then I can draw on this using my template. Now to cut the lid, and don't forget your safety gear. There we are, that's a good fit, isn't it? Now that should overcome the problem of the evaporation with this sous vide, and I'll be able to sleep better at night. Obviously now with this lid on, the condensation, steam, everything like that, it's going to hit this top here, isn't it? Drip back in, and I shouldn't have to keep topping it up all the time. So there you have it. All we need to do now is think of something to cook. So thanks for watching this latest video, everybody. I hope it helps people, helps you sous viders out there with this evaporation problem that you do seem to have. And please try this, it's quite simple. Now these two things together are under 50 quid, £50. I mean, you know, that's pretty good, isn't it, for a tasty meal? So anyway, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and give me a like if you haven't already done so, and I shall see you all again on the next video. Thanks once again, and bye for now.